Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. When we created this channel, we have engaged to help people interested in the Portuguese world. So we have posted here relevant materials not only for those who like the Portuguese language and culture, but also for those who would like to immerse themselves in it. And today, it will not be different. We are going to teach you how to say please in Portuguese, a very important and useful word in many languages. It is very simple. For those who know the Spanish language, it will be very easy, because the most common way to say please in Portuguese is the same as in that language. It is por favor, por favor. Simply that. Let's see examples. Por favor, você pode me ajudar? Por favor, você pode me ajudar? Please, can you help me? Você poderia me dar uma informação, por favor? Você poderia me dar uma informação, por favor? Could you give me some information, please? You may see that, as in English, you may place por favor either in the beginning or in the end of a sentence. Other thing is that por favor is used in both colloquial and formal situations. Of course, it's not the only way to say please in Portuguese. We also have por obséquio, and por gentileza, which are more formal and less common manners to say please in the Portuguese language. Thus, be sure that only por favor will be sufficient in the case of you need to say please in Portuguese. Now you already know how to say please in Portuguese. What are you waiting to begin to use it? We hope you have enjoyed this video, and bye bye for now! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.